Affordable Home Electrification 101, qualifying for AHEP for owners of multifamily buildings and their tenants. We will talk about the DCSEU, what Affordable Home Electrification Program is, eligible equipment for replacement, income qualification for family properties, how to apply, and if you are a tenant, what you should tell your property owner or the manager. The District of Columbia Sustainable Energy Utility is a community-minded organization committed to making energy efficiency and clean energy more accessible to every person and business in the district. Since 2011, we have helped district residents and business generate more than 1.4 billion in lifetime energy cost savings. We provide the industry-leading learning opportunities, expert hands-on assistance, and vital financial support that save our communities both energy and money. Residents can electrify their home by switching their gas or oil appliances and eliminating their gas bill. Program provides electrification services to qualified customers at no cost to tenants and or owners. We replace your gas or oil equipment with new thermostats, heat pumps or HVACs, heat pump water heaters, electric heat pump dryers, induction stoves, including an 11-piece cookware set. We provide electrical panel upgrades or heavy ups whenever it is applicable. Residents are encouraged to participate in either solar for all single family or community solar to offset any potential increases in their electric bill. Participating customers must replace all existing gas equipment or their property will get deprioritized. If you own a multifamily building between 2 to 20 units and apartments, you are eligible to participate. You will need to provide a whole building income eligibility or tenant level income eligibility, demonstrating 50% of the building is at or below 80% of the area median income. The property must also have at least 50% of the units occupied at the time of income verification by income qualified households, as demonstrated through income verification. You will be willing to enter into an affordability agreement to maintain building income eligibility for 5 years or provide an existing affordability covenant for review that meets this requirement. The household size and maximum annual income table is on your screen for your reference. For whole building eligibility, you will need to meet one of the criteria and participate in federal or DC government programs that is on your screen. If you don't meet whole building eligibility, then we can proceed with tenant level eligibility, and your tenants will need to provide documentations to income qualify them for participation at the AHEP. All program participants must be a district property owners in multifamily building with 2 to 20 units. Building must meet whole building eligibility or tenant level income eligibility to receive government assistance. Have a building with existing natural gas or oil heating or water heating system. Replace all of the gas equipment. Encourage your tenants to apply for community solar credits through Solar for All. If between 2 to 4 units in the building and you do not have solar on your property, apply to Solar for All program. You can apply online or by mail. The links to AHEP multifamily application is listed on your screen. And if you are a tenant, you can visit the link on your screen to learn about the Affordable Home Electrification Program for multifamily buildings. with the DCSEU. You can look up the requirements, but please remember the building must be between 2 to 20 units. You as a tenant cannot take first steps, and the property owners must apply for AHEP multifamily first before any tenants can take any actions required. All eligible gas equipment can be replaced with energy efficient electric equipment at no cost to the owners or to the tenants. Thank you for your time.